Hello dear friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, searching for flowers, and our topic is 3-digit number. Look at this picture, a beautiful picture, right? In this picture you can see a big palace and garden and 2 rabbits, right? Do you know who is the owner of this palace? The king Keshan is the owner of this palace, and he is very fond of plants and flowers. And look at these rabbits. This is Chinnu and that is Minnu. They came to visit Keshan's garden. Such a sweet smell. Chinnu and Minnu got into the garden, picked many flowers. Then they went back home. All their friends were there. We will make a big garland, said Chinnu, and a pookalam too, said Minnu. They sorted the flowers and put them in baskets. I want 100 flowers in a basket, and here are only 99. So Minnu gave an answer for that. That's easy. Just put in one more. We'll make 100. 100 holds special place in mathematics. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Look at this abacus. In ones place nothing is there, 0, and the tens place also 0, and the 100 place 1 bead, right? So this way we will make 100. Look at this picture. How many flowers? 100 flowers in each basket. 100 flowers in each basket. So we should find out the total number of flowers. Look at the first circle. How many baskets can you see there? Yes, it is 4 baskets. In one basket, 100 flowers. In one basket, 100 flowers. So here 100, then 2 basket, it came 200, and 3 basket. So this is 300, and total 4 baskets. So 4 hundreds are here. So the number is 400. Number 400. And look at the next picture. How many baskets are there? Yes, 2 baskets. So 2 baskets are there. So 2 baskets is equal to 200. Total 200 flowers are there. And look at this one. In one basket, 100 flowers are there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 baskets. So the total number of flowers are 500. Look at this basket. How many baskets are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 baskets. So the number is 300. 300 flowers are there. And now look at this, only 1 basket. So total 100 flowers. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 baskets. So the total number of flowers 600. Now we can write in order: 100, 200, 300, and do you want to see more? Yes, listen: 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. So now children, look at this. Let's make a pookalam. The table shows the flowers Minnu and her friends collected for making a pookalam. Find out the numbers and write them. In one basket, 100 flowers are there, and outside group of 110, right? here 110. So 100 plus 110 is equal to 110. Total 110 flowers. And look at the second one, one basket. In one basket, 100 flowers are there. And can you see how many group of tens are there? Yes, 2 groups, right? So 2 tens are here. 2 tens is equal to 20. 2 tens is equal to 20. So 102 tens is equal to 120. Next one, 104 tens are there. You know 4 tens is equal to 40. 4 tens is equal to 40. So 104 tens is equal to 140. Next one, 103 tens are there. 3 tens is equal to 30. So 130 is equal to 130. Next one, 100 and total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are there. 5 tens is equal to 50. 105 tens is equal to 150. Next, 3-digit number on abacus. 3-digit number on abacus. Look at this. Here is ones, tens and 100. In ones place there are 4 beads. So it represents 4. And look at the tens place. It's only 1 bead, right? And the next place 100. Here is only 2 beads. So 200. Now we got the number 214. The number is 214. And look at this abacus. In ones place only 1 bead and the tens place nothing is there. So 0. And the hundreds place 2 beads. So here 2 hundreds are there. And here we got the number 201. Next abacus. In ones place 2 beads. It represents 2. And the tens place 3 beads are there. So 3 tens and the hundreds place 4 beads are there. 4 hundreds. So we got 432. Number 432. And the next abacus, in ones place 4 beads are there. In ones place 4 beads and the tens place 2 tens and the hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds and we got the number 524. Number 524. Thank you very much children. Thank you.